Manchurian chicken, crispy, sticky, spicy, and made in the air fryer. Absolutely delicious, super easy to make midweek. This is how you do it. First thing you're going to do is get a bowl with your chopped up chicken breast and add some corn flour, soy sauce, along with red chili powder. You don't have to have it if you don't want anything spicy. Garlic and ginger paste, some salt, and a good few grinds of black pepper. Get your hands in and get all that mixed up so it is nicely combined. And then we're going to start layering up our air fryer basket or our rack. That's the kind of air fryer that I've got. Or if you don't have an air fryer, you can easily just put this on a baking tray and pop it in the oven, or you could even pan fry it. Anyway, I'm air frying this for about 10 minutes until it's cooked through. While that's happening, I'm going to fry some onions and peppers in a wok on a reasonably high heat, add in equal measures of garlic and ginger paste and give that a further 30 seconds of frying. To make that lovely sweet, spicy and sticky sauce, we're going to use some sriracha, tomato ketchup, rice vinegar and soy sauce. I'm using reduced salt because my kids are going to be eating this one. And then we're going to add some corn flour mixed in a little water just to help that sauce become glossy and thick. Mix all through, add the cooked chicken back into it and just stir it through for about a minute until it is coated the chicken and looking absolutely delicious.
Hey, sorry for the interruption, but I've got a super quick favor to ask. If you could either click like, drop a comment below and let me know what you think of this recipe, or subscribe, I would really appreciate it. It has got absolutely nothing to do with my ego. It just means that if you interact with this video in some way, YouTube is more likely to show it to others so that more people get a chance to cook my recipes. Thanks in advance. Now back to the recipe.
Plate it up, garnish with some spring onions and sesame seeds and get stuck in. As always, if you want the full recipe, you can get it in my recipes app. There's a link to download it in the description below. See ya!